Right guys, so in the last video we looked at a very simple level load system based on just kind of like a play button which takes you to a different level. What I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you like an in-level system. So I'll show you what I've done so far. So I've got my game level, which I put 3 buttons in, as you can see: menu, restart and next level. Just a quick one, if you want to change what the text says, it's just a text file in there, you'll just change that there. So just go into your button, into text, and change that. You can change the colour and stuff as well if you want. If you want to change the image, you can change the image there so the button doesn't look as daft. You can change the colour if you wanted as well. I'm not too fussed either way. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all of these buttons take me to different places. This one will take me back to the main menu. This one will restart the current game. We won't actually see anything, but obviously if you were in a game and you restarted, it would start again. And this will take me to the next level. So to make sure I've got a next level, I've made save that. I've made another level. So I've got main menu's blue, game level 1's red, game level 2's green. I've also added that to my build settings, so as you can see now I've got a 0, 1 and a 2, because I'm going to need to reference all of these integers when I sort all this out in a second. So yep, nice and simple. If I now go into here, because obviously this is where everything's going to be taking place, I've got all 3 of these. I'm going to be putting the function in. So if I go to my scripts folder, right click, create, put a C# script. I'll call this UI underscore level underscore handler, just to make it easier for myself. Double click that, give Mono Developer a second to load up. Right, there we go. So just as before, we're going to want to make it use the Unity Engine .scene manager. So yet again, using Unity Engine .scene management. So yep, we've got that in, nice and simple. Obviously we're going to need to reference 3 different integers, because as I said, we're going to do a main menu, this level, next level, and they're all referenced by an integer. We can start off, we delete this, we don't need it. So right, let's do that. So public int main menu, always close it with a semicolon. Public int this level. You could do this as a list, but this is just nice and quick, just get it done out of the way. Public int next level. So yeah, we've got these in there. So obviously we know by doing it like this, because of what we did previously, we can edit it in the editor itself. So what I'll do now, we're going to make a function, but we're going to make 3 altogether, but we can just kind of copy and paste it essentially. So we need to make a public void, got it up if I could spell, wouldn't it? Main menu, because this is the one that's going to take us to the main menu, as we did before with the other function. Open and close brackets, open and close curly braces, and sort that out in the middle. So yeah, there we go, there's one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through now and just quickly set up the other 2. So this will be restart level. That's going to wind me up, let me quickly change that. And a public void next level, exactly the same way. So yeah, this is the bit where it's very similar after this point. So I'm going to put in my script from before, or very similar script, scene manager dot load scene. Looks like somebody's just looking into Steam, nice one. And then in here I am just going to put main menu, close bracket, close line, because this main menu is now referencing this bit here. So I could now, if I wanted to, go through and write that another 2 times, or what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in there, Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it in here as well, and all I need to do is change this word here. So this one is this level, this one is next level. So as simple as that really. We've got that set up. I'm going to save this, minimize this, and what I can do is I can go into here, give it a second to compile the script. Right, there we go. I am going to make an empty game object. So empty game objects are good for just storing information. You won't see anything, there isn't anything there, there's no sprite, there's no 3D model, they're just in the scene. So right click, create empty. As you can see, this has literally got nothing on it. You can, if you want, put it in the center of space by 0, 0, but as I said, if we go into the scene and I click that, there's nothing there. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I am going to call this game object my UI level system, and I'm going to grab the script that we've just created and I'm going to drag it onto there. So here's where it gets a little bit interesting. So I need to remember what's in my build settings. So main menu 0, game level 1, 1, game level 2, 2, obviously. So currently we're on level 1. So main menu 0, this level, which is level 1 to 1, next level to level 2. Right, so we're nearly there. So what we need to do is go in. I'm just going to select all these, obviously just shift click, and I'm going to drag that into there. And then I need to go into them individually and reference each function. So the menu function, if I go into new function, UI level handler and main menu, that will now take us to the main menu. The restart function, same again, but restart level, and next to next level. So let's give this a try. What I'll do, let me just save the scene, save the project. Always make sure to do that because it'll keep all your links. I'm going to go into my main menu, which I made before. I'm going to go in here, I'm going to click this, which will take me to this level. Go back to the menu, go back to the level, click restart. You're not going to see anything happen there because there's no game to restart. And finally, next level takes me to the green page. So we can see that that level system worked. We've got 3 different functions for 3 different levels that are all referenced by their build settings. I hope that is spot on. Cheers.